Make up a JJVLO, Toboli, make up a JJVLO, Toboli,
Hello and welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing all good. Today I share with you this mouth-watering Ghanaian slimy okra soup or stew recipe with you. You will love this okra stew recipe, so all you have to do is to sit back and enjoy. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Do way to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Now let's dive right in. I'm going to start by cooking my okra. I've chopped this off camera, okay? In fact, I really want this okra stew to really draw very well, so I'll go in with some blended okra and also some blended jute leaves, which we normally call it ayoyo leaves. You can as well go in with any green leaf of your choice, okay? Next, I'll also go in with some water, enough water to cook this okra. And while that is done, I'll go in with about half teaspoon of baking powder. This is totally optional, but if you really want a very drawy okra, then I tell you to go in with some baking powder and you are good to go. Next, I'll also go in with some chopped onions. I'll stir everything together beautifully, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And while that is done, I'll cover it and allow it to cook on low medium heat until it's nice and ready. I am back to check on it after 10 minutes and this is how it looks like. As you can see, it is cooking beautifully and I love how drawy this okra is turning out. I'll give everything a good stir, but this time around I will not cover it. I'll just leave it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. While that is going on, let's go ahead and cook our protein. I have some cow meat, some carrow or cow skin, and also some salted beef and salted pork as well. I'll season this with some chopped onions, garlic ginger paste as well, some mixed seasoning powder and a little bit of salt to taste. As always, use any protein and seasoning of your choice, okay? I'll then go in with some water. I'll cover it and allow it to cook until it's nice and ready. And as always, you should keep an eye on it and check it from time to time. So now let's give everything a good stir. We will cover and allow it to do its own thing. I am back to check on the okra for the second time and it looks very soft and very drawy, and that's what I'm looking for. So as you can see, it's looking all good, so I'm going to set this aside and move on to the next stage. While that is going on, if you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Can you give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so as you can see, the proteins are also doing good. It's 80 to 90% done. I'll give it a gentle stir. I'll cover and allow it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes on a low medium heat and it should be ready. I am back again to check on the proteins and at this point it looks super soft and it looks very juicy. I'll set this aside because it's all done and I'll move on to the next stage. So next, into a different pot, I have my zombie palm oil heating up, and while that is done, I'll go in with some chopped onions. I'll saute this in the oil for about 2 to 3 minutes, and while that is done, I'll go in with the next ingredients. So while that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after frying the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes, this is how it looks like. It looks super soft and ready. So next I'll go in with some chopped tomatoes. For the tomatoes, go ahead and use any type of tomato paste or fresh tomato that you have, okay? And I also go in with some grated garlic and ginger, which obviously is going to add good flavors to this stew as well. Now let's cover this and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. And I forgot to go in with some fermented fish or momone so enhance the taste, but trust me, you can as well omit this if you don't want. Okay, let's give it a good stir, cover it and allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. And as always, you should keep an eye on it and check it from time to time. If you are still with me at this point and you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back to check on the sauce and it's looking all good. Next, I'll go in with my protein, which I cooked earlier on. And as I said, feel free to use any protein of your choice. I'll also add the stock from the meat, and once that is done, I'll go in with some powdered pepper. And moving forward, I'll also go in with some stew seasoning powder and a little bit of salt to taste. Always adjust to your taste, okay? Give everything a good stir, cover it on low medium heat and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. Remember to keep an eye on it as always. While that is going on, if you haven't still followed me on all social media platforms, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do follow me on all social media platforms because I have amazing recipes to share with you over there as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back to check on the stew and this is how it looks like. It looks super delicious already. Next, I'll go in with my cooked okra. And as you can see, this looks very drawy and that's what I want. If you don't like yours to be very drawy, you just have to omit the baking powder and also some of the blended okra. Okay, now after everything is in, I'll give everything a good stir. And at this point, just tell me why this okra stew is not going to taste really good. It was super good. I enjoyed this with banku and trust me, everybody in the house really enjoyed this and I hope your family is going to enjoy this recipe as well. All you have to do right now is to trust the process and you are definitely going to love this. Now all that is left is for us to serve this and enjoy. As always, I'm going to pair mine with banku. You can enjoy this with any swallow of your choice. You can enjoy this with your amala, your abetie, everything. Yes, everything that you think this is going to go well with it. Just enjoy yourself and you are good to go. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video to this point. And if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. As always, do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. See you in the next one. Bye.